having some time out here at All Section District Camp. I think we really need to pencil in downtime in the scout camp, whatever we're doing, you know, that is full on activities for the whole day. But I really truly believe one of the biggest tips when you're planning your scout group is always put a bit of downtime in, whether that's for the young people and also as a leader. It's really important to have downtime as a leader as well for burnout. We're always on the go, whether that's your cooking, putting the tents up, being taken to the next base, running activities. So as a leader, it's important to have downtime and not having that responsibility of looking after the young people, but also for the young people to have some downtime, whether that is out on the field as they're doing now, knocking a ball around, sitting around, talking, whatever. No phones, nothing like that. No, that's not the downtime, but just having some downtime just to calm. Because when you talk to them, when they're at school, it's full on. Monday they're swimming, Tuesday they're judo, Wednesday they're football, Thursday scouts, Friday back to football, Saturday swimming lessons, Sunday morning they might have off or go to church or whatever. So I really think having 45 minutes an hour in your scout camp program for them just to chill, sit down, have some ice cream, drink, whatever, maybe not the ice cream, but you really do need, because this man here, he needs some downtime. So yeah, I think don't always having a full-on program, 24/7. It doesn't always need to be, we need to do something, we need to do that, activity after activity after activity. There's an hour, we need to fill that. What we're going to do, let's go and do scavenging hunt. Oh, there's another hour, let's go and do something else. There are jobs to do around camp. We need to fill up the water bottles and make sure the site's tidy and whatever. But my biggest tip, if you're taking the scouts on camp, pencil in some downtime. Come on, scout leaders, what is your tip? If you had to give one tip to a newbie scout leader to make an awesome scout camp, what would you do? Mine would be include some downtime for the scouts, and as leaders, downtime is a must.